A feeling of challenge. Have you ever noticed how some of our greatest growth happens not when things are easy, but when we stretch just beyond our comfort zone? The ancient Greek believed that true learning involves a struggle. The feeling of challenge is one of the most powerful tools we can offer our students. It is about creating learning experiences that push students just enough, not to frustrate, but to inspire. Like the philosophers of the old, we want our students to sit with the complexity, to reflect, to rise, to grow. Think of a student working through a tricky science experiment, refusing to give up. Or a student preparing for oral presentation, nervous but determined. The inner stretch, the willingness to try, even when something feels hard, that's the feeling of challenge at work. As teachers and parents, we can say, this may be difficult, but we believe in you. Give it a try. When we can gently remind growth doesn't come from ease, it comes from effort, courage, and perseverance. Growth doesn't come without a challenge. When students are supported to learn into challenge, they don't just build knowledge, they build character. They discover their own resilience, just as the ancient Greeks taught that true learning is not only about answers, but it's about who we are, who we become in the process.